Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I brought home a delicious mango. Collected its seeds. After keeping the seeds for few days, it sprouted. Once it is sprouted, I placed it in a mini nursery bag. You can see the mini nursery bag. I already filled the mini nursery bag with gravels. Later add sand and later soil. You have to shake it very well before adding a sprouted seed into it. Now I will keep the sprouted seed in it. Now I brought a lettered soil, which is most commonly found in south part of India. Then finally cover it with lettered soil. So you can see the mini mango tree. It had given a fruit, one single fruit.